Let's see how to create brushstroke effect in Canva. So first, let's choose a design we want. Let's choose poster for this example. And all we need to do to add that effect is go to the Elements tab, search brush frame. Here we can see different frames which have the brushstroke effect. Let's choose this one. The next, all we need to do is drag our photo that we want to add the brushstroke effect to into the frame. So I want to add a photo of fish. For the example, let's say fish. All I need to do is find my desired fish photo and just drag it here onto the frame. Just like so. And that's it. That's how you'd add the brushstroke effect in Canva. See you soon.